Hi guys, this is my favorite plant from my mom's collection, and I'm planning to keep this inside my living room. So I thought of making it a little bit lavish by painting its pot. So this is the before situation. Now I'm gonna paint it white. It's a very simple DIY video, so let's paint and make it white. Nothing fancy, all you need is this white paint or any paint that you would like to use and a simple brush. Yeah. This is the easiest DIY in my life. Double long versus side. So this is how it looks with the first coat of painting. Yesterday I did not use any newspaper over it, but I was using this tool which I painted it as well, as it was a bit dark in color. So let's do the second round of painting. And look, this is ready. Now I'm gonna place it in my living room. So this is the new place for this plant, and I love the outcome.